boy back at it again for another video. Welcome back to day 2 of Great Wolf Lodge Resort. So today I'm gonna show you guys around. I'm gonna be showing you guys the rooms, hotel rooms, the arcade room, the golf course, and the bowling alley. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as yesterday. Thank you for all the support and just carry on with me. I'll be showing you guys around.
I'm going to be the cameraman or girl, whatever.
This hotel's pretty big. Every room, every floor has a big hallway like this, and so on. It keeps going. The hotel is so fancy. Look, this is how we open the doors here. So we got a wristband. This is what you get when you first come in.
I don't have mine on because my sister took mine.
So this is how they allow you to go into the places. This is also our keys to the room. Look, see guys?
It's locked. It's locked.
It's not opening. So you swipe.
Boom.
Open. That's how we get into our room. Alright boys, we're about to enter to the room. Oh shit. Boys. Look at this bathroom. Lit. What? Got 2 beds. A little 2 couch, TV, chimney. We got our own balcony. Shit's fire. Yo! We got a nice view. And we got our upstairs. We got our upstairs. Another bed. Another TV. I'm guessing this is another bathroom. Yes, sir. Okay. Not bad. Be up here, chill, watch TV. Not bad. Not at all. Alright boys, so we're here in the arcade room. Not every game is fun or interesting. It's kind of loud in here, but we first gonna try. You already know, we basketball course. So I'm gonna give my little sister a try. So go ahead. Go. You play basketball. Come on. Yeah. What the hell are you doing? The bowling alley. We're about to hit this next, boys.
I have so many left, like me. Damn!
And for those who don't know, my mother right here. This place is actually pretty big. It's pretty big, but the only thing I gotta say about it is that it's mainly focused more on for kids. That's my only complaint about it. So since I mostly live with my younger siblings, this is what we came to. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out this video here, and before I do, I wanna say thank you to all you guys for supporting me. I wanna let you guys know that I appreciate you. I love you guys. I never thought that I would get this amount of support, and that really feels great. I also want to apologize for this video not being long enough. I didn't get to record enough content. Yesterday was the last day. I wanted to spend the most time as I can with my family. Stay in tune. I'm gonna bring you guys more bangers. And my message to you guys is that whenever you're going through a hard time, a rough time, and just go out, take your mind off of it, go have fun, entertain yourself. Eventually you will forget about it and you just feel a lot better. You'll feel great. Instead of staying home and just be thinking about it over and over, it's just gonna get worse. I wanna ask you guys to please drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.